All right, y'all. So it's your girl Stella back here once again. I want to thank everybody for tuning in. And y'all, I got some shoes from Akira that were on sale, and I want y'all to see them. Okay, so let's take a look at some of the shoes that I got from Akira. Okay, and I am going to post how much I paid for them, because like I said, your girl is not spending no lot of money on nothing, because I like clothes too much to spend a lot of money on clothes. So I'm gonna shop affordable. Okay, I'm doing the affordable route. So if they were very expensive, I didn't buy them. Okay, so I'm gonna show y'all first these cute little pink shoes that I got. And I'm gonna tell you something about Akira. One thing about it, that this brand right here, Azalea Wine, these shoes right here are cut big. At least they cut big on me. Y'all let me know if they cut big on y'all, cause they are cut kind of big on me. So because they are cut big, I usually size down. So at this place, I usually wear about a 6.5. I bought these little pink shoes right here. And like I said, I got these, it wasn't the same brand. I don't know if my foot, I think my foot done probably shrunk or something like that. Because I'm starting to have to get a 6.5 in all of my shoes. I don't quite know what's going on with that. But I'm gonna show y'all what these shoes look like on. But I just want to show y'all, look at how cute that shoe is, y'all. This one is a 6.5. I'm gonna post the prices for all of these shoes, but I want to say this shoe was under $20. Okay, under. You cannot beat that. Let me show it to you again. Okay, see that heel on it, and it's got like the little flower in the back. Okay, got like the little flower in the back. Super, super cute. Got these on sale as well. Got these on sale. I want to say they were under $20, but I'm going to post the price and let y'all know exactly how much I paid for them, okay? Y'all, I'm always shopping. Always! I got these too. I really like these because I can just see myself with these on, okay? I can just see myself with these on. Look at that. Y'all see that? I'm gonna show y'all what they look like on as well. Y'all see that? Ooh, them cute. I got all of these on sale. Like I said, I do not spend a lot on nothing, okay? Your girl Stella is affordable, okay? I am, let me tell you something. I'm not gonna spend a lot of money on nothing, okay? I'm gonna shop before, and I'm gonna make sure I start posting inside of my stories when I do catch deals, so that you all will be aware of what's for sale like that, okay? I got these. I know it's spring. I know it's spring, and I know that it's getting ready to get hot outside, okay? But I am always preparing for the fall. So if I can catch something that I know is gonna be in style for the fall, or something that I can wear all the time, guess what? I'm gonna buy it. So I bought these boots, y'all. Y'all see that? Don't play, okay? And I probably will not wear these until the fall, but I got them on sale. So guess where they gonna be? In the closet. Okay, so now that we just seen these boots, you know, Army girl, you know, I'm always gonna wear some type of camouflage, probably even if I wasn't, you know, because it's got a little green in it. Y'all know green is like my favorite color, just so you know. All right, not that I think about kill like that, but you get what I'm saying. So, all right, so we have the spring shoes, we have the boots. What else we got over here? Cause y'all had to have caught the sale. White shoes. I bought these. I thought they were super cute. These were really cheap too, y'all. These were really cheap. Y'all see that? Look at that. Hold on, I gotta make sure y'all see it. Okay? And I'm gonna show y'all what it looked like on. I'm gonna show y'all what it looked like on. Okay? I gotta make sure I put some grease on my ankles, child, because they probably ashy. Before I show y'all what they look like, because I gotta make sure I'm good. I gotta make sure I'm good. I got me some oil right here. I'm gonna oil up my ankles real good so y'all can't see no ash, baby. Okay, y'all not finna be talking about me on YouTube. Okay, I got these too, because I was waiting on these, y'all. Look, I'm gonna show y'all these boots. I just not took these out the pack. I didn't even really look at them. But y'all, I ain't number like 5'3", and these boots like 5 feet, child, because I don't know what I'm finna do with these, okay? But I'm gonna show y'all what they look like, because remember, I'm 5'3", so if you taller, then they gonna look different on you, okay? They gonna look real different on you. So just be mindful. I just not open these up, y'all. That shoe about tall as me. I'm about this height, y'all. I swear I'm about this height. Y'all. Okay. I'ma stop. Okay. All right, I'ma stop. I'm gonna try them on though. I'm gonna show y'all what they look like. I just wanted to show y'all just how tall this shoe is. Now, I'm gonna show y'all though. That's what I get for not opening up the package. But I want to show y'all out the box. We want to show y'all out the box what this stuff look like that your girl went and spent her money on. Now, check. This is like a y'all. Okay. So what us gonna do? Okay. So y'all see this now. So y'all tall girls, y'all really gonna be able to wear this. I'm wearing too because I don't care. But it's all the way up here. It's up here. So if you like 5, come on ladies. If you like 5 foot, don't worry about these right here. They right there. They scrubbing, y'all. They scrubbing, but they cute. But I just think that I mean, I'm wearing them all, but so I'm gonna show y'all what they look like. All right, really comfortable, really cute. Like I said, you know what you're getting yourself into, okay? All right. Anything under 5'3", you might want to leave these in the store. Now that I got an even better look, y'all, it look like I'm about to go fishing, but cutely. So I wanted to show you all very briefly the shoes that I actually caught on sale. Now they were 50% off the final sale price, so that is why you see the final sale price to be different at the bottom versus the prices that are off to the right hand side. So this is it, you all. All right, y'all, so we have done the open boxes. We have looked at everything, and listen, some of it was good and some of it was not so good. We already have established which brands are kind of like, you know, probably too big. But overall, we had a good time though, didn't we? We had a good time over here. All right, so go ahead and subscribe, and I will see y'all on the next video where we fashion travel, okay? So we're gonna be doing some fashion traveling, and we're just gonna be doing some open boxes. We're gonna be doing a little bit of, you know, all of it. So you're gonna get a little, you're gonna be well-rounded over here, okay? In vintage style and the new style, all right? So rock with your girl. Go ahead and subscribe. Thanks again for tuning in.